What's up YouTube? Today I'll be unboxing and telling you some of my thoughts on the Rockerz 380 Bluetooth headphones by Boat. The links for buying these headphones will be posted in the description. Without further ado, let's get right in. So we'll start with a quick unboxing of these headphones. Inside the box, you get the headphones themselves, a micro USB cable for charging, a 3.5mm audio cable, and finally some paperwork that contains a well-detailed user manual and your warranty information. Starting off with the design and build quality of these headphones, they're made entirely out of plastic, but there is a soft matte texture which lends it a premium feel in hand. You can also fold these headphones up for easy storage, but I do feel like the hinges could break off if you do this multiple times. I wish they'd gone with metallic headbands and a better hinge design, but in most cases these work just fine. The headbands allow for easy adjustment of ear cups and they can fit a wide range of head sizes. It is built to a price and that is evident when you pick up these headphones for the very first time. The saving grace is the fact that these are over-ear headphones, which means the ear cushions fit around your ears and are much more comfortable than on-ear headphones. Talking about features, these headphones come with Bluetooth 5, which helps improve battery life and Bluetooth range. I was able to get to the claimed 22-hour battery life by using them at a volume level of about 70%. You can also get up to a range of 10 meters if there are no obstructions between the source and the headphones. Side note, I've seen people complain about the loudness of these headphones being only average. What I found out was that these headphones have a separate volume control apart from what's available on your device. So this means you can adjust the volume up to a higher level by tapping the volume up key on your headphones. Nothing to be worried about. Coming back, all of your controls and ports are present on the left ear cup of the headphones. The three buttons allow for a wide range of functions such as turning on or off your headphones, playing, pausing or moving between tracks, picking up or ending calls, controlling the volume, etc. You also get an LED indicator which shows the status of the headphones. On the bottom of the ear cup there is a micro USB port for charging, a 3.5mm jack for using them in wired mode if you're out of charge, and a microphone. And now for the million-dollar question, how does it sound? After using these headphones for about a week, I'm happy to report that the sound quality is really good. If you're a bass lover, then you're definitely going to enjoy these pair of headphones. But that doesn't mean that the highs or mids are lacking in any way. These headphones provide ample amount of detail while listening to any type of music. It's just that the bass tends to shine through when listening at higher volumes. I did not face any sort of lag while watching YouTube or streaming from Netflix. Gaming also doesn't create any lag in sound thanks to the Bluetooth 5 connection standard in these headphones. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Rockerz 380. The battery life is class leading and takes the fight to premium headphones. The sound quality is pretty decent for this price bracket. I wish they'd improve the build quality a bit, but I'm not complaining considering the price range it's in. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you have any queries regarding these headphones. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.